Hi guys！
又係我哋啦
It's me, Faye again.
爹哋，冇錯，我哋今日玩咩？
We're making crispy chicken in an airfryer oven.
氣炸鍋，氣炸鍋。
Dun, 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 dun,
好
dun.，
但係我哋今日玩嘅係咩咧？我哋今日玩鬥氣炸雞。識嘅係咩雞？
It's crispy chicken.
冇錯，我哋玩炸子雞。但係今日我已經係放低把刀唔教啦。我哋請咗邊個咧？我哋請咗菲菲教主。
So I'm cooking today.
好啦，菲菲會教我哋點樣煮咧。事不宜遲，我哋去材料。
So we have chicken, onion, garlic, ginger, bay leaf, spice powder, Meltors, and last but not least we have the red vinegar.
冇錯啦，就係簡單呢幾樣材料，我哋就可以用氣炸鍋整到隻脆皮炸子雞。跟住，但係我哋今日一陣間我哋鬥嘅係咩咧？我哋唔係鬥煮，我哋梗係鬥食啦！鬥食嗱，一陣間鬥食，輸咗我哋唔好講點樣鬥食法先，講輸咗點法先。
Well, the loser will have to wash the dirty dishes.
我哋而家去片睇下點煮。
First, add some 5 spicy powder in a bowl. Next, add about 4 teaspoons of salt in the same bowl. And mix it well together. After you mix them, massage it on a chicken. And don't just massage the skin. Massage its armpits and the inside because that's where all the flavors come from. Once you've finished, put it in the fridge.
24 hours later.
Take it out of the fridge. Tell your parents to cut off the legs and the neck. Tell them to put it in hot boiling water for a hot spa for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, tell them to put the chicken inside some refreshing cool water to make the skin more firm. This is a secret ingredient for the crispy skin of the crispy chicken. You'll need Meltors and red vinegar. Turn the fire on and mix them well together. But do it quick. And dun 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 dun, we have our mixture. Now, spread it all over the chicken skin. No need for the meat because, we don't need the meat to be crispy, don't we? We just want the skin to be crispy. Cover up the back, the breasts, and the armpits and dry it up. Use a fan or let it dry itself. Then add a second coat. Repeat this for 4 times. Each time, let it dry up. With a fan or dry itself. I recommend a fan to dry it up. Chop up your ingredients. So now, since the chicken is dry, we're gonna put the fillings inside. Da, 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 da. Now, put your fillings inside, just like that. Put your onion. Of course you have to adjust it. Now put in your ginger. Guys, I need call help. Dad!
嘿，都係要我出馬。
Because you do it perfectly. So the chicken is in the oven. Now close the lid up. 200 degrees Celsius and 13 minutes and press rotate. Now you can see it is rotating inside the airfryer oven.
A few moments later.
So guys, as you can see, the chicken is ready, crispy. So, on to the battle.
菲菲大廚教大家煮呢個嘅氣炸子雞，完成咗係咪？跟住落嚟就到我哋嘅 battle 啦。
Bring in the chicken. Here we have it. Dazzle chicken.
我哋而家一人半隻，跟住我哋就係鬥快食，輸咗洗晒全部啲碗佢。
Not fair.
點解？
Hey, you have 2 hands and you have such a big mouth and you eat so fast. Not fair.
你唔係有2隻手嘅咩？淨係得我有2隻手嘅咩
Serious? You eat so fast.
好，咁我讓你單手又點話好冇？
Okay, I'll use both hands. You use one.
輸咗，輸2樣嘢。第一樣嘢洗晒正話整嗰啲碗佢，有冇問題？
Okay.
好，第2樣嘢留翻俾你哋喺留言下低 comment 話俾我哋聽，我哋仲要跑樓梯，究竟跑5層定係10層呢？由你哋話事啊！輸咗嗰個就要跟你哋最多人5就係跑5層，10就係跑10層。留言話俾我哋聽，要跑5層定係10層 ？OK， 而家我哋準備數5聲就開始啦。Are you ready?
I think so.
OK, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. OK,
Go.
唔使啦，不如你介紹一下個雞點解咁好味啊？
Well, firstly, because of our delicious.
佢真係介紹。
Hey, what's the problem with that? Hey, you cheater! You tricked me.
我要快啲先得㗎。跟住落嚟我哋就快鏡啦，因為唔想你哋睇住。好味！哇，嗰啲蒜蓉味咧，喺個雞腔入邊夾晒啲雞肉。
Usually, I don't eat any garlic.
嗰個皮咧，麻辣糖掃晒落去，哇，好脆啊，係咪啊？跟住嗰啲桂葉味咧喺入邊滲出嚟，哇，好好味啊，真係！哇，得喎呢個氣炸呢個炸雞。
Yeah, the salts are really good.
真係好味喎，唔係講笑。嗰啲五香粉啊、桂葉啊，仲有咩啊 ？salt 係啊，啲 salt 就入咗味啊。
好突出啊！
個皮真係好脆。
你想想
唔係啱啱出完出嚟喎，我哋都擺咗一陣喎。擺咗一陣之後咧，
cool down.
先至食個皮仲脆喎。
Delicious scrumptious. This is foodie.
唔知喺鏡頭度睇到咁樣狼吞虎咽法，
Is it
覺得好唔好
disgusting?
食咧？就可以話俾你聽，真係好好食。
點解？邊個食會咁好味嘅
炸子雞，
我哋係成品點算啊？
得到啦！哇，你見唔見到啊？大髀啲肉，哇，仲有彈性㗎，出緊煙嘅，知唔知啊？
Me too. Look at
啱
mine.
熟啊！
Mine is smoking. It's on fire.
好好味。
But you can't eat like.
你睇我隻手幾多油，好多汁。翻嚟啦！我 我哋已經係食完啦，非常美味嘅，我哋已經食完啦。咁但係頭先究竟係我定係佢快啲呢？ OK， 我單手食同佢雙手食，邊個快啲呢？我哋呢度唔話俾你聽住。好，你哋記得，你哋留言話俾我哋聽，究竟輸咗嗰個究竟係邊個？輸咗係跑5層樓梯定係跑10層樓梯呢 ？OK， 下次我哋就連埋找數片一齊話俾你聽，到底係邊個輸？但係首先你哋要幫手話俾我哋聽，想我哋跑5層定係10層先，好冇？喺樓下 comment 話俾我哋聽，5同10得唔得 ？OK， 好，喺呢度仲有冇同謝人講
Yep. If you like this video, like, subscribe our channel, comment down below, and share it to your friends.
OK，拜拜。